Given two equations, determine if the lines are parallel, perpendicular. We're going to do the same thing. So we need to make them both standard. This one we have the x on the left, the y has to go over here, and the 6 has to move over here. So we'll have negative 4x, the negative 2y will turn positive, the 6 will turn positive. The x can't be negative, so you'll divide by negative 1. And you'll have 4x minus 2y equals negative 6. Go over here. The x needs to move over here. The 18 needs to move over here. The negative 3x will turn positive. The 6y stays put. And the 18 is going to turn positive when you move it to the right. So we have both of our standard equations. This time we'll get the slopes first. Our slopes would be negative a over b. It would be negative 4 over negative 2. 4 over negative 2, I should say. Which two negatives make a positive. You'll get a positive 2. So this line has a slope of positive 2. Put negative fraction bar. Our a is 3. Our b is 6. This is going to simplify to negative 1 over 2. The slopes are negative reciprocals, aren't they? So they're perpendicular. Now then we're going to find our x and y intercepts. On this one, 4x would be negative 6. And negative 2y would be negative 6. So x would equal to a negative 6 over 4, which would be negative 3 over 2. Okay, and over here, divide by negative 2. Y would be a positive 3. So our x-intercept is negative 3 over 2. Our y-intercept's 3. Go over here. We're going to have 3x equal 18. Divide by 3. You'll get x equals 6. That gives us our x-intercept. The y-intercept would be 6y equal 18. Divide by 6, you would get y equal 3, wouldn't you? Which intercepts are the same? The y-intercepts are the same. So they both have the same y-intercept. So remember, to get your x and y-intercept, you want the equations in standard form and solve for x and y. And then you can get your slope by using negative a over b.